Hey, good morning, everyone. How are we doing? All right. We've got a special guest instructor here. You not gonna say anything? Well, maybe say hello. Okay, all right. So we are in your classwork packet. All right. We've been working off those visuals and we started getting into those algorithm techniques. So we're not doing lesson 11, not lesson 11. We're not doing lesson 12. We're doing 11 and 12. All right. So make sure you find in your classwork packet up top there where it says 11 and 12. That's there. All right. Okay. So two different sections here, and we've been doing these problems, and you're going to notice some are the same. All right. So let's go through it here and let's see what we've got. The first direction is asking us to distribute. All right. So Ella, what does it mean when the number is up against parentheses? It means to
Multiply.
Right. So let's keep that in mind here. All right. The 4's up against the parentheses, so we got to multiply it to everyone that's inside the parentheses there. So 4 times x, 4x. 4 times y, 4y.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it is cool. Absolutely. So we're all done there. That's all we got to deal with here. All right. Let's drop down a little bit. All right. And let's go to someone like letter D. Now we've got a letter on the outside. Ella, what letter do you see there? No letter. Yeah, get what I did there? What letter do you see? I told you the answer ahead of time. Yeah. Yeah, work on your letters. Okay, so when we multiply, because remember, even if a letter's up against parentheses, it means to multiply, we get 3AC. Remember, numbers and letters just right up against each other, and we like that number to be first. So then let's multiply that C times B. We like alphabetical order, so we'd like to say BC. All right? Right? How does the alphabet go, Ella?
A, B, C.
Yep, stop right there. You got it. A, B, C. There we go. There's your order. Okay, let's go down to the bottom section that's down here where we are factoring. All right, that's the key thing is we are factoring here. So when we're factoring, we're dividing by the biggest number that we can. All right, so let's go to question number 5. I see an 8 and I see a 28. The biggest number we can divide 8 and 28 by, this is where you're just kind of going through your math facts. I encourage you to start with the smaller number and then kind of go through it there. So 8, I'm going to use numbers I can divide 8 by. And I can divide it by 8, but I can't divide 28 by 8. How about 4, Ella? Does 4 work? Yes, yes, it does.
Yes.
Yes, so we're going to divide them both by 4. So again, it's the reverse distributive property. What do you multiply 4 by to get to 8m? Well, that's 2m. All right. What do you multiply 4 by to get to 28? Well, that's 7. You got that, Ella? All right. You guys can cross out question 2, 3. All right. You can cross out question 6. All right. 7. There you go, Ella. And why don't you cross out for them question 4? Yep, that one right there, question 4. Cross it out. There you go. Well done, Ella. All right, guys, enjoy. Ella, say goodbye. All right.